$150 or $1,250. You be the judge between these two microphones. The Telefunken Elektroakustik Copperhead retailing at $1,250 and the Sterling 51, or rather its replacement, the Sterling 151, retailing at around $150. Now we're actually comparing the Sterling 51 to the Telefunken Elektroakustik Copperhead. And the reason is because we just simply had it lying around. In fact, we bought the microphone as sort of a throwaway mic in case it got wrecked for one-time use for a voiceover workshop that we were doing outside of the studio. So we didn't really care about the sound that much. We just really cared that our good microphones don't get wrecked. So, but we were pleasantly surprised when we matched these two together. In fact, we weren't even going to do this microphone comparison. We just did it sort of on a lark as we noticed that the two microphone bodies are identical. And we thought, hey, let's just throw these up. We got nothing else to do today. So let's just see how they compare. And it was a good thing, too, because we were very surprised at how similar these two microphones compare. And we don't really think that has anything to do with the body shape or anything like that. It could be just dumb luck. It could be that they modeled their microphones after that. I don't know if the Sterling 151 is supposed to be a replacement or the 51 is supposed to be a replacement or a knockoff of any other microphone. I really don't know much about it. But it was just wow, I guess, at the end of the day when we were done comparing these two microphones. So you be the judge for yourself. Is it going to be right for everyone's voice? No, probably not, but that's always the case with every microphone. But take a listen and tell us what you think in the comments. Now, our signal chain was very straightforward. Once again, running through our DAV Electronics Broadhurst Gardens microphone preamps, and then into our Avid Omni interface recorded at 24-bit 48K wave. And afterwards, no processing was done other than to match a level spec of minus 24 LKFS. And that's it. That's all we did. So take a listen and you be the judge. And don't forget to subscribe or follow us on YouTube.
Today is a new day. Today, a nation awoke and great opportunities arose with it. Today, we are moving world leaders and shapers. Today, we are moving the economy and the nation forward, bringing cities closer and people together with more than 500 destinations across America. Today, nearly 5 million Amtrak Guest Rewards members are traveling smarter, greener, and with more convenience on every journey they take. Today, like every day, Amtrak Guest Rewards is helping people achieve their goals and rewarding their accomplishments. So, as we continue to share our journeys, commutes, and conversations, our relationships grow stronger, our numbers greater. And it is these connections that keep Amtrak moving forward. Today, we are making big differences. Just imagine what tomorrow holds.